In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve a negative balance in your PayPal account, and we'll do it efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether it's an unexpected charge or a transfer that didn't go as planned, dealing with a negative balance can be stressful. Let's walk through this together, ensuring you have a crystal clear understanding of each step. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. If you're more comfortable using your phone, you can download and open the PayPal app for similar functionality. Once you're on the website or the app, look for the login button. It's usually situated in the top right corner of their homepage. Enter your login credentials, make sure they are accurate to avoid any unnecessary delays, and sign into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, there might be an additional security step. PayPal might prompt you to verify your identity by sending you a text. You'll have a couple of options here. You can choose to get a verification text through WhatsApp or as a regular SMS text message. This step is crucial for maintaining account security, so ensure you have access to your phone. Now that access has been granted, navigate to your account summary page. This is what PayPal calls your home. It serves as a central hub for all your PayPal operations, making it easy to track transactions and balances. Here, you'll see the negative balance highlighted, and this is where we will focus on resolving the issue. Next, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Help option. This page provides a variety of resources and answers to common questions. It's a useful tool, especially if you run into any issues along the way. For further assistance, locate and click the Contact Us section, which you can usually find under the Help tab. PayPal offers multiple ways to reach them, but for urgent help you'll want to click on Call Us. This allows you to speak directly with a representative. When contacting them, explain your situation, whether you're making a payment to bring your balance to zero, or need assistance in understanding why the negative balance occurred. With these steps, you can effectively manage and resolve your negative balance issue. Remember, PayPal's customer service is available to help if you find yourself stuck at any point. By addressing such matters promptly, you can continue utilizing your account smoothly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your PayPal concerns. Feel free to reach out with any additional questions or for more tutorials.